We need a glass bowl for making a day cream. Aloe vera gel. I'm using this gel. You can use Patanjali or whatever available to you. I'm using a castor oil. I'm using black castor oil. You can use a normal castor oil also. A badam tail, almond oil, Jojoba oil. This is an optional. You can use it if available. If not, you can skip this oil. And I'm using coconut oil, organic coconut oil. You can use anyone, but I would prefer an organic coconut oil. And vitamin E capsule. You can get it from any chemist shop. So we'll be using this. So we'll take this container. First, we'll take 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. If you are preparing for a month and you are the only user, you can take 2 spoons will be enough. And make sure you don't use your hand, direct hand, wash your hand before making it. You can make it with the aloe vera plant gel also. You have to refrigerate it. So I have taken 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Now in this I'll put 1 spoon of coconut oil. This is 1 spoon of coconut oil. Now I will take a castor oil. I will be adding half spoon of castor oil in it. This much. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of almond oil. And now I will be adding jojoba oil. That also 1/2 teaspoon. Now I will be adding 4 capsules of vitamin E. For this we need to cut it. Now we will mix it, but not with the spoon, but if you have any wooden spatula you can mix with that. Take all the extra aloe vera gel from the spoon and blend it very nicely. After blending it, it will look as creamy. I will advise that don't touch it by your hand right now, so I'm not touching it. So you can see it feel like it's a cream, and it's very good for your skin. It will nourish your skin, and best part is there's no chemical is there in your cream, so you can put this cream to your kids as well. So you can use it at night also, and a day cream also. So now you can keep this cream in this glass jar. I will highly recommend you to keep in the glass jar. If it is dark, it's better, and if it is transparent, it's okay. So please keep in the glass jar, not in a plastic jar, and store it for a month. Before using, please make sure you shake it little bit so that any settlement of oil will be not there. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you find it useful. Thank you.